Belgium receives its first French Griffin armored vehicle for local assembly under the CaMo program. As reported by French aid to Ukraine on February 12, 2025, Belgium has received its first Griffin armored vehicle under the CaMo Capacité Motorisée program, as confirmed by Alexandre Dupuy, Director of System Activities at KNDS France, during his hearing before the French National Assembly's Defense Commission on the same day. He stated, "The first Griffin, the one that is to be assembled in Belgium, has been in Belgium since mid-December. It is now a reality." As reported by French aid to Ukraine on February 12, 2025, Belgium has received its first Griffin armored vehicle under the CaMo Capacité Motorisée program, as confirmed by Alexandre Dupuy, Director of System Activities at KNDS France, during his hearing before the French National Assembly's Defense Commission on the same day. He stated, "The first Griffin, the one that is to be assembled in Belgium, has been in Belgium since mid-December. It is now a reality." The CaMo program, which now also interests Ireland, is a binational agreement between France and Belgium aimed at standardizing military mobility and operational interoperability. Established in 2019, the program includes the acquisition of almost 400 Griffin multi-role armored vehicles, 60 Jaguar reconnaissance and combat vehicles, and 9 next-generation Caesar 155mm self-propelled howitzers. The agreement integrates joint training exercises such as Celtic Uprise and establishes a unified operational structure. The program incorporates the Scorpion Combat Information System (SICS) to facilitate real-time data sharing and command coordination between the two armies. CaMo is intended to achieve full operational interoperability by 2027 through the formation of Combined Arms Tactical Subgroups (CATS) composed of Belgian and French units operating under a shared structure. The program extends to doctrine, logistics, and command systems to standardize battlefield operations. Luxembourg has been included to some extent, and discussions are ongoing regarding Ireland's potential participation. By aligning military equipment, training, and communication systems, CaMo establishes a common framework for land operations among participating countries. Alexandre Dupuy stated that the French Defense Procurement Agency DGA procures the Griffin on behalf of Belgium, while Belgian representatives are integrated into the French Army structure under CaMo. The 382 Griffin vehicles ordered under the CaMo contract will be assembled, painted, tested, and finalized at this facility before being delivered to the Belgian land component. The first Griffin is scheduled to be assembled in January 2025, with the vehicles expected to be operational from 2026 to 2031. The facility will integrate various Griffin configurations, including the Griffin MEPAC, equipped with a 120mm mortar, and the Griffin SAN, a medical evacuation version. Mole-size production capacity is projected to reach up to 9 Griffin vehicles per month at full capacity. The assembly process follows a structured approach, with base vehicle components supplied by KNDS France, formerly Nexta, from its raw on-site, while Belgian-produced FN Herstal remote weapon stations and Thales electronic systems will be integrated at Steden. The site also includes a testing track for performance evaluations. The Belgian Griffin vehicles will be equipped with FN Herstal remote weapon stations, configured for 7.62mm and 12.7mm machine guns, as well as a 40mm grenade launcher. In addition to standard troop transport versions, the Griffin MEPAC variant, featuring a 120mm mortar system, will be incorporated into the Belgian fleet. The Griffin Genie, a combat engineering version, will be designed for mobility support, urban operations, and explosive ordnance disposal. It will include a front-mounted winch, a rear towing hook, and mission-specific kits for tasks such as mine clearance, counter mobility, and rapid deployment support. These variants are designed to align with the French Army's Scorpion program, maintaining operational compatibility and interoperability between French and Belgian forces under the CaMo framework. The Griffin, also known as the VBMR Véhicule Blindé Multirole, is a 6x6-wheeled armored personnel carrier with a combat weight of 25 tons, developed under the French Scorpion program to replace the VAB. It has a maximum road speed of 90 km/h and an operational range of 800 km, powered by a 400 horsepower Renault Truck 6-cylinder turbodiesel engine coupled with a ZF 7-speed automatic transmission. The vehicle's protection meets STANAG 4569 Level 4 standards, capable of withstanding 14.5 mm armor-piercing rounds, artillery shell splinters, and mine IED blasts, with modular armor kits available for increased protection. It is equipped with a remotely operated T1 Hornet weapon station.